All right, great. Let's look at another important concept that will help us a great deal when working in Python: indexing. This is a technique we'll use frequently later in the course, especially when we focus on Python's application in the world of finance. So, here's an example of how indexing works. The word Friday is written here, right? Is it possible to extract the letter D? Yes, we can do that by using square brackets, and within them, we should specify the position of the letter we would like to be extracted. A very important thing you should remember is that in Python, we count from 0, not from 1. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. That's why I'll ask for the fourth letter, D, by writing 3 here. See? And we obtain the letter D. Had we put 4, we would have obtained the letter A. This is the syntax in this occasion. Square brackets right after the word, or the string of characters if you wish, and a number indicating the position of interest. This is how indexing works in Python. Thanks for watching.